Hello, my doctors, and welcome to week 3 of your semesters 2 now. Oh my goodness, it's going by so fast. So, for this week, as you could see in your folders, period 2 and 4, your folder for the cardiovascular and circulatory system is now white because we are now moving on into week 3, which is Lamb's Community Hospital. Now, there's going to be a big focus on analyzing data and interpreting data. I know you might say, but this isn't math class. But remember, math is everywhere. So you're going to use everything that you have learned the past weeks about the cardiovascular system and the circulatory system, and you're going to be identifying certain diseases. So we, of course, have our SOSA right here if you want to look at our standards, objectives, strategies, and artifacts. You could just click there. But what we are going to be focusing on are two main things for this week, and that is the Lamb's Community Hospital patient diagnostics and your investigation for your homework, which is investigating a choice, whatever choice you decide to go on any illness from the cardiovascular or circulatory system disease. So if we click on this folder, this is an assignment. It's a PowerPoint presentation that you're going to be following along with me, and you're going to be talking to your peers because you're going to get patients, real patients that we discussed last week. And then you're going to get to submit this when you're done. So this is an activity that we will be doing in class during breakout sessions, and I will be guiding you. Okay, and once you're done and you are finalized with everything, you submit it. Now, the next one is your homework. Don't mind these. These are here just for you for resources in case you forgot what your group roles are or what group you belong to. You could click here, and then these are our gallery walks that we did last week, but I'm putting them here because this is the same that correlates to your diagnostic. So don't mind these. These are here just for references, but this one is your homework. Many of you are actually done. Okay, so if we click on this, it says choose a cardiovascular or circulatory system disease. I know I went through these for the last 2 weeks, but I will explain it again. So this could be any disease or illness of your choice that has to do with either the cardiovascular or the circulatory system. It could be something we have discussed in class, or it could be anything that you would like to explore that just gets your attention, but it correlates with the cardiovascular and circulatory system. So again, you need to name the disease and define it. What is it? Okay? Explain the dangers of the disease or illness in children and in adults. For example, can children have strokes? Okay? Or is it just adults? You're going to find out. And then, are there any cures or preventions that we could take? And this is going to guide us to our big unit plan that we have. Now, once you submit, I will go ahead and read it, and I might ask you some questions. That way you could keep on extending that investigation. So I know a couple of you have already answered, and I challenge you to think a little bit more or add something in there. So look at your discussion. Look if someone replied. Look to see if I responded, because this is going to be a guide towards the final project that we have. And you know what, kids? That's it. So for this week, there will be no discussion at all. We are only focusing on the Lamb's Community Hospital and your homework investigation. Okay, that's what we're going to be focusing on for this week. Alrighty, that would be it. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you for period 2 and for period 4.